what I've spent the last year obsessing over is large language models and what they tell us about the nature of language. And I think what they tell us is that language is it's an autonomous informational system. It can run itself. It's self-predictive, and that I believe that it's running similarly in us. The key insight I think that we have as a species from these large language models, all the implications aside, is that language has this property that it's self-generative, that it actually has the ingredients within its own structure to generate itself. And where that leads you, if you accept that human language is actually fundamentally the same, that it's this next token prediction, the same thing that large language models do. What we do is we learn the statistics, the geometric structure of language, and then that actually just runs itself, so to speak, in our minds. It leads you to some very strange places. In particular, it leads you to a point where this is kind of an autonomous, almost a parasitic informational system. It's ungrounded. The words we use, like the word red or burgundy or whatever, at some point they have to make contact with our perceptual and action systems, but they really do kind of run themselves. And that leads you to the strange conclusion, first of all, that the system is kind of independent almost of the rest of us. And the somewhat disturbing idea that there maybe is a zombie, and I've written about exactly this idea that we have a zombie language model running inside us, doesn't really know what red means, but causes us to talk about it, even though it doesn't have the notion of what a red experience is, because it's